So if you want to use a multitasking, you simply choose your app. Want to view in multitask mode. Okay, for example, 2 of this. So you want to read and want to watch. Okay, so let's go. Okay, the first one will go here. The other one, just simply click this. Don't click this. It will give you options. Simply click this part. Okay, any of this part except this one, so that it will go here. Okay. Okay. Next one is if you want another app want to use. I found using this one and simply drag this part, this icon here. It'll go here or here. Okay, if you want to go here, just drop it there, and this one or this one. It will go like that. Okay. Thank you.